Times Now election scoop has been confirmed. Akhilesh Yadav will be contesting from Kannauj. Samajwadi Party chief will be filing his nomination tomorrow. Adib, tell us the background story. What led to this?
Well, Samajwadi Party first declared the ticket candidature of Tej Pratap Yadav. Then there was a rift inside Samajwadi Party. Local workers of the Kannauj cadre were not very happy with the candidature of Tej Pratap Yadav. They were demanding that Akhilesh Yadav should himself contest from this particular seat, as it had been a bastion of Samajwadi Party. But however, Samajwadi Party lost the seat in 2019 to Subrat Pathak. Now, the Akhilesh Yadav met with the party leaders from Kannauj yesterday. Akhilesh said that he will decide this within 24 hours and will let them know. And now what we are being told is that Akhilesh Yadav will file his nominations tomorrow. This is which we have got to know from our sources, that Akhilesh Yadav will be traveling to Kannauj tomorrow. He is in Jaswant Nagar today, and from there he will be going to Kannauj, and he will file his nomination for that particular seat tomorrow at around 12 noon.
All right, now last minute changes taking place. Was it a deliberate ploy to stump the BJP? Going by the reaction coming in from Subrat Pathak, who is the candidate of the Saffron Party from this seat, it looks like he is confident of his victory and completely unfazed of now facing Akhilesh Yadav.
नहीं, इसमें देखना कि हम तो पहले ही अखिलेश यादव जी से कहे थे कि आप चुनाव लड़िए, आके आपके अलावा कोई चुनाव लड़ ही नहीं सकता कन्नौज में। और शायद उनको बड़ा घमंड था कि नहीं, हम किसी को भेज देंगे, वो लड़ जाएगा, जीत जाएगा। और जबकि हमने इनको कहा था कि आप अपने सफाई से भी किसी को भेज दोगे तो भी उसकी जमानत भी जब्त हो जाएगी। अखिलेश, यहाँ से कोई लड़ ही नहीं सकता आपके खिलाफ। आप आइए, यहाँ से लड़िए। और मुझे अच्छा लग रहा है कि अखिलेश मेरे खिलाफ चुनाव लड़ने आ रहे हैं, और उनका ये घमंड कि जो किसी को भी मेरे खिलाफ लड़ा के जिता देंगे, उनका घमंड टूट रहा है। और वो समझते थे कि यदि तेज प्रताप यादव को यहाँ से चुनाव लड़ाया तो समाजवादी पार्टी खत्म हो जाएगी और उनकी पार्टी के 80% मतदाता और कार्यकर्ता मेरे साथ खड़े हो जाएंगे। देखो, ये वही
Tomorrow between 10 and 10:30 a.m. is when Samajwadi Party chief is to file his nomination from this seat. Times Now is your one-stop shop for all election-related news. Taking a very quick break. On the other side, Election Bus Yatra special.